So the app that I will be using to back up my files is called Titanium Backup, and you can find it on the Google Play Store for free. It is a rooted app, so you'll have to be rooted. You have to grant the root permissions and wait for the app to load. We will be doing a batch backup, so you can click the top right button with the check mark and then select backup all user apps, and you'll run it. It'll show you all of your applications, so the ones that you want to back up, you'll have to have it check marked. The ones that you don't want to, you can uncheck them. And I'll just speed this up for a bit. And once you're done, you'll click the check mark at the top right, and it'll start the backup process. This can take a while depending on how many apps you're going to be backing up. So I'm backing up 86 applications, so that takes a few minutes. To back up my text messages, I'm going to use an application called SMS Backup and Restore that you can find on the Google Play Store for free. Let's go through that. You're going to click Backup, and you'll have to create a folder for your backups and set a file name, and it'll begin the backup process. This is in real time, and you can see it doesn't take that long. It's going pretty quickly. I have about 5,000 text messages backing up. This only backs up text messages. It doesn't back up MMS images sent or received. And it's almost done. This is useful if you change ROMs and you want to keep all your messages. And it is complete, and you just close it. And this is just a reminder to make a backup of the backup file. Okay, so now we're going to be making a Nandroid backup. So basically a Nandroid is an image of your phone at that moment in time. You'll need a custom recovery. So I'm using TWRP, which is TeamWin's recovery project, or you can use Clockwork Mod Recovery. So you'll reboot into recovery like I'm doing now, and we'll just wait for it to load up. I'm using TeamWin Recovery Project 2.63, I believe. So you'll try to have like the most recent one if you can, because that'll help. So this is TWRP. You'll see the options there. Install, wipe, backup, restore, settings, and all that stuff. To make a Nandroid backup, you'll go to backup, and then you will, well, first make sure you have enough space on your SD card, and then you can set a file name for the backup. Since I'm using Slim ROM right now, I'm going to be renaming it Slim Halo. Yeah, I'm using Slim Halo ROM. So I'm going to be renaming it Slim Halo, and I normally like to put the date so I remember when I'm doing the backup. So I'm doing Slim Halo December 29. And then let's go, and then you'll swipe to backup to start the process. And this will take a long time to back up, especially if you have a lot of apps and games and data backed up. It can take a while. I believe mine took 20 minutes. Yeah, here's it complete. That took 20 minutes about. So once it's done, you can just reboot system and you're done. You're on Nandroid. You're backed up. The Nandroid backup will be in your SD card.